Hello everybody, this is mtb.si live extra, only in English this time, maybe a little bit in French. We have two new members of the Slovenian International Professional Mountain Bike Racing Team. We call it the Unior Tools Team. Probably some people in English call it Unior Team, right? Okay, and we have two new members. Taylor Vernon there at the end, straight from Wales.
Yep, from the south of Wales.
And Rudy Cabirou of France.
Yeah.
And we have 8 viewers. We'll have much more when it's posted then as a replay. And probably have more in the next 5 minutes. Won't be very long. I'm the only one in the dark, that's okay. We have the riders in the light. So welcome to Slovenia.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks.
You arrived yesterday, as I understand?
Yeah.
Straight from training. How was it? Where was it?
Yeah, we spent a few weeks in San Remo, which was amazing. Good to get out of the rain back at home. Some rough tracks, and we also headed into France for a little race, which was fun. Me and Rudy did.
At Blozask, yeah.
How is French racing in March?
Yeah, the first at Blozask. And it's really good for Taylor and me. Very fun.
Good test of the gear and
Yeah, the first time with a new jersey and new color. It's really cool.
cool. So, done any riding in Slovenia so far? I understand you had some video and photo shooting this morning.
Yeah, that's right. We rode at Yuri's Trails, which was is sick. A good fun, flowy little tracks, and sure we got some good shots. It was fun.
How do you like it so far, Rudy? Little mountains?
Yeah, it's really good. Really good. This track have a good flow and little jump. Super fun.
We call it the Ljubljana trails because Jure and his brothers are in charge there.
Yeah.
And
Yeah, it's a sick
there's
setup.
always lots of people building and riding there. It's the city trails.
Yeah,
And you will see some much bigger mountains in Slovenia, I believe.
yeah, for sure.
So you guys are both too young to have ever raced the Maribor World Cup. So what did you know about the Slovenian downhill scene before joining the Unior Tools Team?
Yeah, I never ride at Maribor, but the whole French racer say me it's an amazing track, and I see the Slovenian guys with Ziga and Jure on the World Cup, and I never come here before the enter the team. And it's a really nice place, and the guys are really kind.
And now you're on a Slovenian team, the first French rider in Slovenian team. Taylor, your experience with Slovenia so far, I mean before joining the team, what did you know about the racing here?
I guess as a kid, as I was growing up, watching all the Clay Porter films and stuff, you see Maribor and it looks like a sick track. And, it's a shame we haven't been able to ride it yet, so maybe one day. Yeah.
Hopefully Maribor gets back on the World Cup.
Yeah, bring it back. But I hear not so far away they're having a race next year.
You'll have Croatia next year, right?
Yeah, that's cool.
Okay, do we have any questions? No questions. No giveaways today. So I let you guys to the photo shoot that's been going on behind here. We'll show our spectators Žiga Pandur there in the background.
The model himself.
The model himself posing for the cameras. The world famous photographer Klemen Humar doing the shooting. And the other team guys waiting for the shoot. So thank you for your time, and I'll see all of you, the whole team, tomorrow for the team presentation at 6, so 6 Central European time, live on Unior Tools Team Facebook site. And We'll see you there. We'll have
Yeah.
more questions for you.
Yeah, come
Okay.
along, guys. Good night.
Thanks. Cheers.
See you tomorrow.
Bye.
Oops. Finish.